Okay, this is Nervous Nick. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. I'm going ahead and trying another tomato omelet here with onions and green pepper, tomatoes, and I'm on the medium heat on the burner. Going to kick it back there again. I just ran off some juice that was on there. Had a little bit too much. I poured it off. I think it's from the tomatoes. So I poured off some of that juice. It'll juice up again here in a second. Got medium heat. Okay, I'm going to jump over here to my eggs. 4 eggs. I'm going to hit it with a little milk. Should have some more light in here. Hit it with just a little milk. Do it. I got a dirty bowl here. What's going on? Jump back over here. It's getting going pretty good there. I took it off the heat for a minute. Maybe I'll just make this a short, I don't know. Mix it up real good. I got 4 eggs. Sometimes I do 5 even. Alright, I just pour it all in there. Right on top. Let it soak down in there. And where's my light? There it is. Alright. I'm putting a few shorts up there you guys see on my channel. I don't mean to, but YouTube's bugging us to make shorts. I got a link to my Patreon channel, but I don't know about my Patreon channel. I don't know if it's working right. You gotta go over there and figure it out. Check out my link if you want, down in go down in the description and hit that more. I know most of you guys are on the cell phone. Hit that more link.